cream claw machine. There's nothing better than winning frozen treats from an arcade game. Alright. I believe this is how the...
Is that the Eskimos used to?
Yeah, this is how the Eskimos used to eat. Their diet depended on what they won from a triple catcher ice cream machine.
I don't know, I'm just hoping it goes to the left,
drifts.
like as it drifts, yeah.
You know how much like this they could have avoided by using something that they didn't melt, like and just use a normal machine.
Oh, come on, baby. Oh, please get it. Please.
Oh.
I want ice cream.
Oh
my god.
Oh my god.
Please stay.
Oh my god.
Please stay.
Oh my god.
Please stay.
No way.
Come on.
Oh, you got it. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ice cream.
Frick yeah.
Yeah.
Ice cream for ice cream. And also rape, but mainly ice cream.
Nice, that's awesome.
Is there any more? I won't.
Maybe the one that was below it.
Yeah. This one's so good. Oh my god, I want to win one now. They should just have a guy eating them as like a trying to get you to play, and you just smell it. Okay. We're gonna get from this angle. Oh. Oh man. Oh. No ice cream for me. I'm just literally gonna drop it on this one.
Alright.
See if I can get just super lucky here.
If it goes up with 2 prongs, possibly.
Oh.
Yeah, you know,
It's not gonna happen.
maybe back the tad.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
Let's see.
Should be pretty good.
Screw it. I don't want
Give me the damn ice cream already.
I don't want to wait any longer.
Oh, come on.
Just grab it as hard.
Oh, come on.
Please.
Oh, I think you can get that.
Frank.
It spins the same way.
Yeah, it spun good.
Yes.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, wow.
Ice cream sandwich.
Ooh.
That probably.
Oh, if it scoops under it. Yep. Oh, you got. Oh, come on. That's perfect.
Please stay. I'm so hungry.
For the love of ice cream.
I'm so hungry.
Yay! Yes.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
It's true love, guys.
Is yours deformed like mine? Oh no, that actually looks pretty good. Nice. Satisfaction right there.
Here's some joy.
Nice.